Hello everybody, my name is Alan Del Gallego from alandelgallego.com. Did you know that you can translate any video on any language that you want on YouTube as long as they put closed caption on it? So today I'm going to show you how to do that with my videos. I've been shooting videos in both languages, Spanish and English, but as of now I'm producing a lot of videos that they're not going to make it into the English language. So for that reason I want to make sure that there is some people that want to follow the video anyway, they want to watch it, doesn't matter if it's in which language, but they're going to have the option to look at the closed caption in any language they want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch now to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you get that done. So let's go from here to here. So here we are. Alright, the first thing you're going to be seeing here is my browser. By the way, you can use any browser you want, and at this point we're going to be using Firefox. So once that you locate the video, you have it in the window, you want to watch it. So there is this little icon on the bottom right, look, with the letter CC that stands for closed caption. So once that you click in there, you actually are activating the actual engine that is doing the translation. So let's show you that.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Te habla Alan Del Gallego de alandelgallego.com. En este video tutorial te voy a mostrar.
Okay, as you can see, I'm speaking in Spanish and it's coming in something that I have no idea what it is. It's actually Spanish. Alright, so if you click on the second icon that looks like a little pinwheel, that icon is your settings. So once that you click on the settings, there's going to be three options, but if you start to look from the top to the bottom, you can change the speed of the actual clip, how it's gonna play. And if you go into the sub and the second one, it says subtitle, you click on that and it's gonna bring you to another sub menu where you actually can choose the language. So you click in the one that is selected, in this case it's Spanish, and you can actually translate it to, actually it's the bottom, sorry, it's the third icon on the bottom. So you can look for, in this case we're gonna look for English. So let's go down, and Italian, we want English, which should be EF right here. Cool. Once that you select the language, it's automatically translates. So let's see if it works.
¿Cómo poner junto un nuevo juguete que acabo de comprar? Este juguetito se llama Android.
And that's it. Nothing else to do to it. So have fun with it, play around with it. Remember to follow me, subscribe to my channel. A lot of new videos are coming. I want to make sure that you get it, and if you have a chance to look at them, I want you to give me some comments. I want to know how great I'm doing, and if there is any things that you would like to see more in the channel, write to me, let me know, so we can actually develop videos doing those topics. My name is Alan Del Gallego. You can find me on alandelgallego.com. Remember, hearts, good hands, comments, and most important, send this video to everybody, share it. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Ciao.